Hey students, let's solve one previous question of DBMS. This question was asked in GATE DA 2026, question number 51. Consider an ER model with entities E1 and E2 where A11, A12, A13 are attributes of E1 and A21, A22, A23 are attributes of E2. Let A22 be multi-valued attribute, A11 and A21 are primary key of E1 and E2 respectively. So A11 and A21 are the primary key for E1 and E2. Let R12 be a many-to-many relationship between E1 and A2. Participation of both E1 and E2 in R12 is total. The minimum number of relations required to convert the ER model into relational model, assuming there are no other functional dependency, where each relation is in third normal form is dash. Initially for E1 there will be one relation having attributes A11, A12 and A13, where A11 is the primary key. Next for E2 having attributes A21 and A23. There will be one relation as A22 is a multi-valued attribute. For multi-valued attribute, we will create a separate relation, right? So for A22, we will create another relation having primary key A21. E22, that will be another relation where A21, A22 both will be there. A22 is multi-valued attribute. For that we will create another relation. Here both will be key. In case of E21, A21 will be key. Next there is a many-to-many relation. For many-to-many relation we will create a separate relation where both primary key will be attribute. So for R12 we will create a separate relation where A11 and A21 will be attribute. This relation we created due to many-to-many relationship. Just remember, for multi-valued attribute, for many-to-many relation, for n are relation, and for weak attributes there will be separate table. For other there will be just one table. For E1 one relation, E2 another relation. For A22 one separate relation as its multi-valued attribute. For R12 one separate relation as it is a many-to-many relation. For one-to-many, many-to-one, no separate relation required. For many-to-many relation we need a separate relation. So in this question we need two separate relation for multi-valued attribute and many-to-many relation. And there are two entities E1 and E2, for them also two. So total we need 4 relations. Answer will be 4. I already discussed how we can design the ER model. Just go through the lecture, and if this lecture is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.